In this video, I will show you how to view logged in devices on TikTok. Open up TikTok, log into your account, push on these three lines or dots in the upper right corner. Come down and push on Settings and Privacy. Push on Security and Permissions. Security Alerts. Then, your devices. Here is the current device that I am logged into now to make this video. Scroll down. Here will be the other devices that you have logged into your TikTok account with. And that's how you do it, guys. How to view logged in devices on TikTok.